Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best mattress bed frame is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your sleep sanctuary, transforming your bedroom from a mere resting place into a haven of comfort and style. A well-chosen bed frame not only supports your mattress, extending its lifespan and preventing sagging, but also significantly contributes to the overall aesthetic and functionality of your room, offering potential storage solutions and enhancing your daily waking experience. This guide will delve into the essential factors to consider, ensuring you select a bed frame that perfectly balances durability, design, and your personal needs for years of restful nights. Number 5. Zinus SmartBase 14-inch Mattress Foundation. Introducing the Zinus SmartBase, a revolutionary solution that combines the benefits of a bed frame and a box spring. It's designed for effortless setup, requiring no tools and minimal effort. This sturdy steel platform is built to last, eliminating the need for a traditional box spring. You can place your memory foam or spring mattress directly on top for a comfortable and supportive sleep. Enjoy ample underbed storage with 13 inches of clearance. This provides valuable space for organizing your belongings and keeping your room tidy. Setting up your new bed frame is a breeze. It arrives in a compact box and features an intuitive, tool-free assembly process. Simply put it together and rest your mattress on top. Built with robust steel, it offers exceptional durability. Single frames support up to 750 pounds, while larger sizes can handle up to 1,500 pounds, ensuring a stable and secure foundation for your mattress. We stand behind our product with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. Rest assured knowing you've made a smart investment in your sleep. What we like? This is the ultimate solution for a quick and easy setup. If you're looking for a no-fuss assembly that requires no tools, this is the one for you. It also offers ample underbed storage, making it ideal for those who need to maximize their space. What people say. This bed platform was very easy to set up. I did it all by myself with no help. No wasting time trying to put the legs and slats together because this comes in practically 2 pieces. It is very stable on my carpet floor and is very sturdy now that I have my mattress and comforter on top. I'm only 5 feet 0 inches and about 120 pounds, so I don't see this platform possibly bending or collapsing from my regular use. Even if I use the bed with a heavier person on there, I think it is still very stable. I have not heard any squeaking as I was rolling around and moving on my bed. Easy assembly. It's actually a great product if you want a high-quality frame for a good price. Assembled in about 5 minutes. There is actually no squeaking noise at all. I replaced my old frame because of the squeaky slats. Also, this frame is foldable. Great if you ever need to get rid of it or move. Amazing product for this price range. Number 4. Zinus Abel Metal Platform Bed Frame. Tired of replacing your box spring? This innovative design is crafted from durable steel, offering a long-lasting solution. It's backed by our Zinus 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. Say goodbye to the box spring. Our reliable metal slats provide excellent support for any mattress type, extending its life. You can finally ditch that extra layer and enjoy a cleaner look. This platform features recessed legs to prevent accidental bumps and stubbed toes. Plus, with 12 inches of clearance, you'll have ample space to store your belongings neatly under the bed. Setting up your new bed frame is a breeze. With fewer bolts and all parts conveniently shipped to your door, assembly is quick and hassle-free, especially with a friend's help. Constructed with 100% steel, this frame is incredibly sturdy and built for longevity. It offers robust support, with queen sizes holding up to 700 pounds. We stand by our quality. This bed frame comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. Enjoy your new foundation with confidence and comfort. What we like? Consider this if you prioritize a sleek design with added safety features. The recessed legs prevent accidental bumps, and the straightforward assembly means you'll be sleeping soundly in no time. It's a great choice for anyone seeking both style and practicality. What people say. The installation for these products is so easy. All you need is a space big enough to fit your frame to build it. The quality is so sturdy, yet sleek. These frames are not bulky or ugly at all. I am so happy with the sleek yet sturdy design. This metal platform queen bed exceeded my expectations. Assembly was quick and straightforward. I was able to put it together easily without any extra tools or frustration. Once set up, it feels incredibly sturdy with no wobbling or squeaking, which gives me a lot of confidence in its durability. Number 3. Best price mattress 14 metal platform bed. Discover the best price on a durable and stylish bed frame. Get exceptional value without compromising on quality. This platform bed offers a generous 14-inch height, providing ample underbed storage space. It's the perfect solution for keeping your room tidy. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this frame is built to last. Enjoy a sturdy and reliable foundation for your mattress, ensuring years of comfortable sleep. Say goodbye to the hassle and expense of a box spring. This platform bed is designed to work directly with your mattress, simplifying setup. This queen-size bed comes in a sleek black finish, adding a modern touch to any bedroom decor. It's the perfect centerpiece for your sleeping sanctuary. Receive your new bed frame brand new in its original box. All necessary accessories are included for a quick and easy assembly. What we like. For those who value pure, unadulterated strength and simplicity, this is the perfect fit. Its heavy-duty steel construction provides exceptional durability and support. If you're looking for a no-frills, robust foundation that will last, this is your best bet. What people say. It's durable, not overly tall, and a nice color. It doesn't make any annoying creaks or anything like that, it's super quiet. The setup was really easy and it's obviously simple to use. Put it together, slap it down where you want it, put down your mattress, and there you go. It supports the mattress and us just fine, no issues with developing bends or divots or anything like that. Functions exactly like it should. The frame itself is incredibly solid. It's made of sturdy metal and doesn't wobble or creak at all. The 14-inch height is perfect, it provides plenty of underbed storage space, which is a huge plus for me. I can easily fit bins and boxes underneath without any issues. Number 2. Zinus Upholstered Platform Bed Frame. Tired of bulky bed frames and box springs? This platform bed offers a sleek, simple, and stylish alternative. It provides reliable and understated support, all in one foundation. Designed for longevity, it features an interior steel framework and dense foam padding. This ensures both softness and durability for years to come. Say goodbye to the box spring. Durable wood slats offer excellent mattress support and extend its life. This means you can directly place your mattress on it. Setting up your new bed is a breeze. Everything is efficiently packed into one box, with all parts, tools, and instructions conveniently located for easy assembly. We stand by our quality. This frame comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. If you're aiming for a more sophisticated bedroom aesthetic, this option is a fantastic choice. The fabric upholstery and wooden slats offer a softer, more stylish look than traditional metal frames. It's perfect for those who want a foundation that complements their decor. What people say. It was very easy to assemble and all the instructions are clear with the tools to assemble included in the package. There is ample support to keep you from having a bow in the middle which would cause back issues. The side rails in the package were completely wrapped in plastic as well. Number 1. Hercules Folding Metal Bed Frame Queen. Experience a solid and durable foundation for your mattress. This heavy-duty frame ensures lasting stability and support without the need for a box spring. Enjoy effortless setup with our simple assembly process. You can quickly put it together with our easy-to-follow instructions. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. It's perfect for those who move frequently or have limited storage space. Engineered to provide a quiet sleeping environment. The reinforced leg structure minimizes squeaks and creaks for undisturbed rest. Its minimalist design complements a variety of bedroom decors. The steel slats offer ample support, expanding your mattress's lifespan. What we like. This frame is a game changer for anyone who moves frequently or needs a temporary sleeping solution. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to store and transport. If you value convenience and a quiet night's sleep without squeaks, this is the ideal option. What people say. Incredibly easy to set up. Very stable. This thing is a heavyweight and stands up to all of the punishment that I can dole out. I've hammered this thing relentlessly several times a week for a couple months now and it isn't showing any signs of wearing down. It took all of about 5 minutes to assemble the bed and is easily done by one person. The wires are very sturdy and have not bent at all since I first started using the bed. The slats across, the metal beams that go from side to side, are just as sturdy. I'm about 280 pounds, and this thing holds me with no problem. My requirements were simple. It had to be on legs. I live in a basement. Humidity becomes a problem when there's ground contact. The height of this is perfect, good to get in and out of, and perfect for the more intimate pursuits. It had to be affordable at $160 CDN with next day shipping. This frame was the cheapest option around. It had to be sturdy. I'm a big guy. Between my boyfriend and I, we clock in and nearly 480 pounds, plus the king mattress. This frame supported that no problem, inducing the more intimate pursuits. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.